The chances are one of the reasons you decided to fly all the way to Koh Samui, Thailand is for the limestone cliffs, the turquoise water with the incredible marine life, the hidden lagoons and the island hopping. But there is so much to see here and you only have limited time to see it. So the question I get asked all the time, which boat tours and island hopping tours are actually worth the money? The last thing you want to do is waste a whole day, waste your money and not have a good time. In this video, I'm going to rank my 3 favorite boat tours from Koh Samui, and in each one I'm breaking down what it actually costs, what's included, what to bring, and I'm going to save my favorite for last. So if you only have time to do one of these tours, that will be the one that I would choose. Let's get into it. Kicking us off at number 3 is the Discover Koh Tao VIP speedboat tour. This one takes you out to Koh Tao and then Koh Nang Yuan for some of the best snorkeling I've ever seen. If you love being in the ocean, this one is 100% for you. Hotel pickup is included. You're on the speedboat by 9 and it's about an hour and a half out to Koh Tao. The boat is very comfortable. You can sit on the front and catch some sun or relax inside, and soft drinks are included. You go straight to an incredible snorkeling spot with some of the clearest water I've ever seen. The marine life and the coral I saw there was incredible. We even saw a giant turtle. Snorkeling equipment is provided, so you don't need to worry about that. Then they take you to a cute little Thai lunch spot overlooking the ocean around midday. After lunch, you go on to another beautiful snorkeling spot. I think this one was even better than the last. We saw so much here. And then the final stop of the day is to the beautiful island of Koh Nang Yuan. It's the little island with a sandbar connecting 3 little islands, and you've 100% seen this on Instagram, even if you didn't know the name. You get time to relax on the beach, snorkel more, or climb up to the viewpoint for the shot that everyone gets. This place is so incredibly beautiful. You're back at your hotel by around 5, so it's a proper full day out. This is what's included: your travel insurance, an English speaking guide, seasonal fruit, Thai lunch, soft drinks, snorkeling gear, hotel pickup and drop off, and all the entrance fees. This is what you need to pack. Bring your own towel since it's not provided, and sunscreen, and suitable clothing for snorkeling and for potentially a little bit of hiking. The cost for this one is 4,500 baht per adult, or 4,100 if you've got kids from age 4 to 10. And by the way, all the tours I'm speaking about in this video are from Tour Koh Samui. I use them for all my tours because they genuinely are the best and the most reputable tour company on the island. They have the best customer service, and they only partner with the most high quality tour operators, and they offer free cancellation up to 24 hours before. I'll leave all the links down below and you can get a discount on all the tours with code Claudia. Number 2, honestly, this is one of the best tours I've ever done, and it comes very close to number 1. This is the Jet Ski Safari 4-hour VIP tour. So you get your own jet ski, or you can ride as a passenger if you want to go as a couple. But instead of renting them off the beach and just driving in circles, you are on an island hopping adventure where you get to see multiple incredible sights and drive yourself there across the ocean, which is so cool. You start off with an in-depth safety briefing, which really puts you at ease and shows that they really do care about your safety. Then you go and grab your jet ski, they show you how to use it, and then you drive out to see the 5 islands where the guides help you to take some incredible photos and videos. Don't worry if you've never been on a jet ski before, because these are really easy to drive. Next stop is Koh Tan for some snorkeling, and then you have lunch on this absolutely incredible beach. Fun fact, Koh Tan only has 20 inhabitants. It really feels secluded and untouched. It is stunning. Then you're back on the jet skis, you drive over to the final stop of the day, the famous Koh Mad Sam, also known as Pig Island, where you can drink mango shakes and coconuts whilst hanging out with the cute pigs. You have plenty of time to enjoy this island. The 4-hour tour allows you to see all of this and gives you a lot of time in each location, but they also have a 2.5-hour tour too. So included is a proper guide, all your jet ski gear, insurance, hotel pickup and drop off, snorkeling gear. They even give you a waterproof bag, which is a nice touch. You do have to pay 50 baht to enter Pig Island in cash, so don't forget that. And the lunch is only included on the 4-hour tour. Also, another tip, especially for the girls, don't go in just bikini bottoms. Make sure you have shorts on, otherwise the jet ski can really chafe. And you need to be at least 6 to ride as a passenger and 16 to drive one yourself. So price-wise, the 4-hour VIP is 10,500 baht per jet ski. So if there's 2 of you, you can split that. Now let's talk about number 1, my favorite tour in the whole of Samui. And if you only have 1 day spare to go on a tour, this is the one you should book. This is the Beyond Ang Thong VIP tour. I've done this tour 4 times now and I still absolutely love it. Ang Thong Marine Park is this protected cluster of 42 islands, and the VIP version of this tour keeps the group small, so only max 16 people, and the boat is very spacious, so it feels roomy. And it's so much better than getting on a tour with hundreds of people, which some of them do. The itinerary on this one is stacked, so bear with me. First stop is Talab Island, where you climb up to the viewpoint. It's a 400-meter climb and it can get pretty steep, so not suitable for those with mobility issues or young children, but I promise it's 100% worth the climb. In my opinion, one of the most breathtaking views in Thailand. And fun fact, most tour operators stop here last. Goat is one of the only ones I've seen that comes here first, meaning it feels like you have the whole place to yourself. There were barely any tourists when we were there. As we were heading back down, you could see hundreds of people arriving. Then we drove the speedboat around the limestone cliffs. It's absolutely breathtaking and there's some great photo opportunities. We went to this beautiful spot to stop for swimming and some really great snorkeling. The next stop on the tour is the Emerald Lake, where you hike up to a viewpoint looking down over this lake that sits just inside the island. This hike was not as hard as the last one, only took maximum 10 minutes to get up there. After that, you cruise over to Koh Samui, one of the biggest islands in Ang Thong, a sleepy fishing village, for a buffet lunch, and there's a very good chance of spotting hornbills flying around whilst you eat. The last stop is a quieter spot called Lonely Beach, probably one of the most beautiful beaches I've seen. Perfect for a swim and a relaxing nap before heading back to Koh Samui and arriving back around 5:30. This tour includes pretty much everything: hotel transfer, English or German speaking guide, snacks, drinking water, soft drinks, every entrance fee, snorkeling gear, travel insurance, and a full Thai lunch. Alcohol and towels are not included, so bring your own towel, bring sunscreen, a hat, obviously swimwear, some cash, and some comfortable shoes for the hike. This tour costs 4,900 baht per adult, 4,300 for kids aged from 4 to 10. This tour is number 1 for me because there's not a single dull stretch in the whole day. Every stop is so beautiful. And this is the kind of day out you imagine when you think about experiencing Thailand's beautiful landscapes. The group is small enough to feel personal, so if you're wondering whether 4,900 baht is worth it for a single day, for this day, yes, absolutely. So if you have time, I recommend you book all 3 of these tours, but if you only have time for one, the Ang Thong Beyond VIP wins hands down. Links to all 3 are down below in the description, so you can book directly and get a discount with code Claudia. Let me know in the comments which one you'd try first, and make sure to subscribe for more Koh Samui and Thailand content. I'll see you in the next one.